Ang sad, may walang laman. Bro, may naulit. See? Good. Oh! There's none? Ang sad, may walang laman. The pie! Oh my god! So cute! Oh, so cute! Of course, I have the bigger version too. This is my last one, and I'm really hoping it to be the secret peach. Oh, it's a puff again! I have two puff. The other one, walang laman. Tas ito. You know what, whatever. See, it's also cute. I'm just really sad because kulang ako ng isa and may na-repeat pa. But anyway, it's okay. Bye!